Hey guys, Marino's Collectibles here, and we have another unboxing. We have one from Golden Apple Comics, and then we have our other package from Comics Elite. So let's get into this and see what we got. Alright. Alright guys, and here we have it. So, showed you this before. This is my third and final copy. Dark Knight's Death Metal 3. This book is should still be at your local comic shop. It was a speculation book. Whether it's going to be anything or not, I don't know. But my third copy is my last copy. I'm not getting any more. And that's it. So, that's that. Alright, we'll get right into this. This is from Comics Elite. If you order from Comics Elite for a discount, 5%, put the code in capital E-C-O-N. Econ 5. That's capital E, all lowercase, C-O-N 5. And that'll save you 5% on your order. So I know exactly what this is. This book just came out. I picked a couple up at my comic shop, and I pre-ordered because I figured it was going to be hot. The story is so crazy right now, so I had to pick this up just in case. All shipped in top loaders. There's 6 of them. And here we go. Thor number 6, cover A. And I got 6 of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm excited about that. You know what? I take my books out of these top loaders, and I don't even know if they help. I would say yeah to maybe a Silver Age double board, but you see, they packaged this. Look closely at that. You see that? So I'm not saying they don't help. They help because of the edges, but if you're in the middle, it kind of causes that to bow. So, and with Comics Elite, I rather just have it in the Mylar. And that's good enough for me, because now look at, see what I mean? So I'm going to lay these books flat. They're all nice books besides that curve. So I'm going to take them all out. And See? So I'm going to put them back to back like this. And you can see. Stop doing that. Stop doing it. Comics Elite, everybody. Golden Apple, Slab City Comics, Black, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Put them just normal. Don't, it's just insane that they should give you the option if you want it just raw, right in the Mylar, I understand it, but just having it only in the top loader, I don't agree with it. But I'm going to do this, get them out, back to back, throw those down there, and then I'm going to put them all like this, reverse, reverse. I'm going to put a nice heavy box on there to flatten them out for a couple days. And that should put them back to normal. So the last thing I have to show you guys is this. So this is pretty cool. It's obviously representing Incredible Hulk 181. This poster cover, Wolverine with the Hulk hands. And this is signed by Joe St. Pierre. My friend won this in an auction, this and something else, so I love it. And I just thought it was pretty cool to show you guys. So that's that. Besides that, listen guys, awesome. We got 55 subscribers. And we keep growing and growing and growing. So as of this morning, 3 days from today, 72 hours, I will stop the comments on this video. Well, excuse me, last video. And then I'll do the randomizer and we'll choose our winner. And that's it. So don't forget, subscribe, like, comment. Those of you that are new to our channel, I appreciate the love and support. Again, we got these shirts. They are available upon request. Am I getting the right angle? Maybe. I don't know. Hopefully. But you see them clearly on the last video. So if you're interested, just give me a shout. I'll tell you the details on those. And that's it. So you guys got about 2.5 days left to subscribe, share, and put your favorite superhero, supervillain on the video, last video for the 50 subscriber giveaway. And that's about it. So again, we got 6 nice Thor 8 number 6 covers. We got the 1 Death Metal 3, and we got that poster. So that's all we got now, and till next time, peace.